Tutorial number 20, Demo Mode. Hello, and welcome to the pco.camware video tutorials. This video explains the demo mode. If you open up pco.camware and there's no camera connected to your PC, the software will open and the demo mode setup dialog will appear. If this dialog appears, even if you have connected a camera to your PC, please watch our video tutorial as it explains the logging procedure or follow the steps provided by the dialog. If you select Rescan and Log, the software will rescan for the camera but with enabled logging. This feature documents all internal software events, for example, calls of libraries or SDK functions. It will track why the camera you have connected is not connected. After the rescan, you can create support files easily. Make sure to send these files to the PCO support team to request help. pco.camware can be used to watch, adjust, and save raw image data which you have previously acquired. When you open up pco.camware without a camera connected, you have to select the resolution, color, and bit depth of the images you would like to obtain. In case you open color images, or if you want to adjust double shutter images, please select these features too. Via the File dialog, you can open up a RAW file or a RAW recorded sequence. Select the proper file and press Open. The image or sequence will appear within the preview window. The corresponding thumbnails are generated in the Recorder toolbar as well. You have now access to the raw data of your experiment, which you can analyze or adjust based upon your preferences. If you export an image or video file, they will be sensitive to the contrast or color adjustments you have selected. Be aware the adjustments will not affect the raw data. Therefore, it is always recommended to keep your raw data as a 16-bit file additional to the exported images. Please be aware that pco.camware does not have image processing features. Though you can save your images as a TIFF file, which can easily be handled by another software packages which are able to perform the required image processing. Thank you for watching our video tutorial.